Hello and welcome to this video. This will be a very short video and I will be showing you that if you have applied for ISBN, so how to apply for new ISBN uh, on the website Raja Ram Mohan Roy National Agency for ISBN. So if you are new to this channel, and I welcome you to Kitablane. At Kitablane, we provide you with complete, comprehensive end-to-end services. We provide you with book printing, book publishing, and we also help you with sell your book. And also, if you have any book that you want to get restored, we can help you with that. And you can also check our services which are available for these 6 segments. So for more details, please visit our website, or you can contact us. You can click here and you can talk to us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. So what I'll do here is, because we publish a lot of books, so we had 100 ISBN number which was given to us. Now we have around 12 available. So I'm going to click on new application. So here you can see the details is given here, name of the publisher and everything. So what I need to do here is I need to select what kind of book that we are going to publish. So primarily we are publishing educational books, school books, philosophical books, not religious books to be honest. And then we are going to select all the options that is required. And after that, what we are going to do is we are going to scroll down. So after we scroll down, we click here. So you have to mention how many ISBN number do you need. So I would mention that I need 200. You can also mention 100. So it depends on them. You can mention that I need 200, 300. But depending on your profile, the government will be providing you or allotting you with ISBN number. So here I click, I hereby accept, and then save. So here, after you click on save, this will open up. Then I'm going to click on submit. Then it is going to ask you whether are you sure or not. Then I'm going to click on yes. And now it will show that, okay, you have submitted your application, and depending on that, the government will basically look into your profile and application, then they will start allotting you. So this is how simple it is. And if you want more similar videos like this, please visit our website. And if you want to get your book printed, published, or if you want to sell it online, we will be more than happy to help you out. So thank you for watching this video. We look forward to working with you.